girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Wish Wednesday. Alright guys, so you wish for songs, I bring them up here for you. And this time we have Aurora's Daydreamer. Alright, so this is a 3-chord song, and you, Aaron A, you wished for Aurora's Daydreamer. This is especially for you and for all you Aurora fans, so I hope you will enjoy this. This is very easy, guys. We have a capo set on the 3rd fret, alright? So with that, we have 3 chords and 1 string pattern that works for these chords. So that's what we're gonna look at. Let's start the capo on 3rd and go over the chords. So we're gonna use G, C, and E minor. So the first chord here, G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. This 3rd E, we wanna stay that with all these chords and have that with us. So we're going to next chord here. That's basically a C, but with this 3rd E added. So okay, so that it'll be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and still 3rd E. And the final chord is the E minor with that note added in the end there. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Okay, so that will be the chord progression through the entire song here. G to C to E minor. All right, so we're gonna look at the strumming pattern now. And if you go back to the G chord, you're gonna play down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So down, up. On that up there, you wanna really get the high note down there. Alright, so it goes. So imagine you're playing down, up, down, more in the bass mid area here. That strings are used there, and then the up, you really wanna emphasize that and go down and get the higher notes on the up. So down, up, up. Short pause, and then cups up, down, up. That's 1 round. So a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. Okay, so that was 4 string rounds, and that is actually how you start with the G. You're gonna play G, 4 string rounds, then C, 2, and E minor 2. And that's it. So a couple of rounds of this chord progression will be C2 and E minor 2. And back again to G4. C2, E minor 2. Alright, so there you have it, Aurora's Daydreamer. Hope that was helpful for you. Aaron A, thank you for interacting with me here on Growing Guitar. Appreciate that a lot. And feel free to be back here again for all you fans out there, subscribers, whatnot. Feel free to leave a comment. I really like to see what you enjoy listening and want to learn. So yeah, hope to see you here very soon, guys. Until next time, play tuned.